Did you know the world's greatest art heist happened because two guards fell for the oldest trick in the book? March 18, 1990, the Isabella Stewart Gardner Museum in Boston. Two men dressed as police officers knocked on the door at 1:13 in the morning. They told the security guards they were investigating a disturbance. The guards let them in. Big mistake. The fake cops immediately handcuffed both guards and duct taped them in the basement. For the next 81 minutes, these thieves methodically cut 13 priceless artworks from their frames. Paintings by Vermeer, Rembrandt, and Manet, worth $500 million. But here's the strange part. They left behind even more valuable pieces, almost like they had a shopping list. The FBI has spent 34 years chasing leads. They've offered $10 million in reward money. They've connected the theft to Boston organized crime. But none of the 13 stolen masterpieces have ever been found. The empty frames still hang in the museum today, a haunting reminder of the night two fake cops pulled off the perfect art heist.